Welcome back to Always Learning. What are we doing today? Well, today we're learning about the Windex outdoor cleaner and how to clean your windows. And I've got a window here and it's pretty high up, and I cleaned it with a squeegee on a pole with a brush that you clean it with. And today I'm trying the Windex, which just use a garden hose, and you can probably do it from the ground here. But it's pretty simple. You're going to hook it to your hose, turn your water on, and then it's got two little buttons here. One's clean and one's rinse. So you turn it to rinse, and then you spray it all down, get all the cobwebs, all the most stuff you can. Then you're going to turn it to clean, and then when you turn it to clean, you're going to spray the window basically with the Windex cleaner, and then you let it set for 20 seconds. Make sure it doesn't dry out with the sun and everything, and then you turn it back to rinse and hose it off, let it dry, and it should be clear. So we're going to give it the test today. If you've never used these flexible hoses, they're pretty nice. I mean, they fill up with water, they flex, and then when they're done, they shrink back. And so they're really, really lightweight and little, but you can really stretch them for a long way. So I'll leave the link in the description below, but they're pretty handy. Okay, so the first thing didn't go so well. Maybe there's some stuff on the inside, but this window is definitely worse. So it looks like either the hard water of the city or I didn't get the soap off. So I'm gonna try it again, see if the second time will do it. All right, so I did it again. It pretty much had the same result. This time I even made sure I rinsed it better, and it pretty much looks the same. So I don't know if it's the hard water or what it is, but I'm going to keep trying because I really want this to work. So we will see, but right now I'm not real tickled with the results. I think I'll go back to squeegee. All right, thanks for watching. Leave your comments below.